Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to reinstall Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reinstall your Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open the command prompt. For that, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Guys, here you need to type some of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. These are the command. Just select, copy, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste. After that, hit enter. And check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, still you are facing the issue, again you need to click on Start menu. Then type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. Just right click on that. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here you need to copy paste the second command. Copy. Right click, edit and paste it here. After that, hit enter. Now close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can reinstall Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.